Hi everybody, my name is Doug. Today we're going to be taking a look at the waterproofing abilities of the Purple Mattress Protector. Not the mattress protector made by the company Purple. I made a separate video about a year ago where I went over the unboxing and the feel of this mattress protector, but a couple people pointed out I never put it through my waterproof test, so I'm going to do that today. Just to clarify, you do not have to use the Purple Mattress Protector on a purple mattress. You can use it on any mattress. In fact, the mattress that I'm testing here is a Sapira. It'll work on any mattress, but it's best, or it shines brightest on a flat top mattress that does not have tufting. The logic is this is a very thin and stretchy mattress protector, and with flat top mattresses you want something thin and stretchy because you don't want to change the feel of that top later. So if you have a flat top mattress, don't be tempted to add additional padding to it. You want to let the mattress itself do its job. I won't be discussing comfort or anything like that today because I have a separate video for that. See my previous video, and I'll put a link in the description for that. This will just be about the waterproof ability. Alright, let's get into it. I should mention that this is the mattress protector that we've been using on our normal every night bed for about a year now, so it's obviously been washed regularly several times. So this should be a really good test. First we'll start out with the basic test. What I'm going to do is pour a half cup of liquid out. This is just plain water with some blue food coloring added to make it easier to see. We've got a little piece of cloth here representing a sheet. Some of it will probably spill off, and that's fine. You may or may not be able to see an outline here. I do have an old towel underneath the sheet, just in case there was to be a major failure. I don't want to ruin my mattress. And then later we'll come back, do a cumulative test by adding some more. So here we go with the basic test. Pouring out the liquid. Testing the waterproof ability. Again, this is a half cup of water. Alright. We'll let this sit for a while, at least 10 minutes, maybe more, and we'll check back and see what happens. Alright, the basic test has sat for a while. Let's check it out. See what we got here. Well, this is all dry. No leak through. This is cold, but nothing leaking through. So, basic test was passed. Alright, let's move on. Okay, so now we'll do the advanced waterproof test. Again, cup of water here with some food coloring added. This is 3/4 of a cup of liquid, and this is cumulative on top of the half cup we've already done. So this would represent like if a child wet the bed twice in the night or something along those lines. If it can handle this, it can handle just about anything. In the basic test, I used cold water. For the advanced test, I'm going to use warm water. I don't know if that makes a difference, but I figured let's give it a shot. Alright, so here we go. Pouring on the liquid for the advanced test. And this is almost certainly, well, yeah, I got some off there. Going to run off the cloth. So, should be a pretty good test. We'll check back. We'll give this at least 10 minutes and see what happens. Okay, time has passed. It's been more than 10 minutes, closer to 20, since we put the extra 3/4 of a cup of water on. So this is the advanced test. And the total amount of liquid that's been poured on now is 1 1/4 cups of water. So let's take a look and see how it did. Got to get the cover off here. Not the cover, got to lift up the mattress protector is what I'm trying to say. Alright. Success. Maybe not. Well, the basic test was passed with flying colors. The advanced test, kind of a mixed result here. I'll try to move the camera. It's hard to see, but See, there is a slight, very slight blue hue there on the towel that was underneath. A small portion did leak through the mattress protector when I used the advanced test. Now, I said I would leave it on here for at least 10 minutes both times. The first time was actually like an hour because I went to the store and came back, and the second time was more like 20 minutes. So really, the water had been laying there for an hour and 20 minutes. But if you had a child that wet their bed, I mean, that could happen during the night pretty easily. So the purple mattress protector did pass the basic test, half a cup of water. When I added the additional 3/4 of a cup, it wasn't a dramatic failure, but it was a failure, because if any leaks through at all, I consider that to be a failure. So, sorry, purple mattress protector, you did not pass with flying colors. Well, I hope that video was helpful for you, even though it was a disappointment for me personally. So just putting some final thoughts on it, I think if you have a setup like what we have, where it's just a couple of adults sleeping on the mattress, you know, if you spill your shake or your water in bed right before you go to bed and you catch it right away, you're going to be fine with the purple mattress protector. But if you have a pet that sleeps in bed and could wet themselves, or a child that has a bedwetting problem, this is probably not the mattress protector for you. I've got a couple other reviews. You can check the description box for mattress protectors that did pass both the basic and the advanced waterproof test. You can even see over there, it kind of beaded on top, which is good. That means it gives you time to respond. So that part's not in danger. But if it's soaked for, you know, over an hour like that did, could be an issue. I also always appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, if you find videos like this to be helpful. And I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Have a good one.